Hi guys, and welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious juicy soya chicken my way. So this is very simple to make and easy. It's like everything you have in your kitchen already. So look at this, look at how juicy it is, and oh my god, it was very delicious and simple to make. So here are the ingredients that you will need. Here I have my chicken, guys. So I washed this chicken and then I season it with salt and put it in the fridge overnight. If you know me, you know that whenever I'm making my chicken, I season it with salt and then put it in the fridge overnight. That is how I was taught. So here I have in that bowl I just added oil, soya sauce, and then I added in my suya spice, the suya powder. And here I just added in some blended mixture, that is garlic, ginger, onion, and some pepper. So I just mixed everything together, and what I'm doing is that I'm just going to rub everything in the chicken very well, and then I'll make sure that like every part of the chicken is covered with the sauce, with this mixture, and then I'll just put it in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes. It depends how much time you have, but already my chicken is already seasoned already. The salt has already seasoned the chicken. I already seasoned it overnight with salt, and I always tell you, you can only season your chicken with salt and then you will get a good result. So here I'm going to just cover it, and then I will put it in the fridge for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So here is it. Here we are after 40 minutes. So I have my baking pan ready, and then I just brought out the chicken and then I put it in. My oven has been preset to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. Yeah, you see the chicken is big, so you don't want to like let it over put your oven so high. That way the chicken will not have time to like cook very thoroughly inside. So here I put my chicken in, and then we bake it for about 55 to 1 hour. And here we are, our chicken is all ready, guys. Just look at it, how sweet the chicken is looking. It's so juicy and everything. So I'm going to have this with, you can have it with rice, plain rice, jollof rice, anything of your choice. You can as well have this with cup of juice or a bottle of beer. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you.